Okay, Christopher is running a marathon. He knows to keep a good pace without falling behind or pushing himself too far, which this is like true of marathon runners. Right? You'll often see that they have a watch and they'll time themselves each mile because they want to make sure they're keeping a pace that they can physically keep up with. He needs to be running each mile faster than 6 minutes, but no slower than 8 minutes. Write a compound inequality to represent Christopher's time for each mile and graph your answer. Okay? So story problem here. What is this asking us to consider?
I know you have to use a line, a number line.
Okay, so we're going to need a number line because we have to graph our answer. Is this asking us to solve something?
No.
No, what does it ask us to do?
Write a compound inequality.
Write a compound inequality. What does a compound inequality look like?
It's the, like, it's one.
Ors or ands, right? So is this going to be an or is this going to be an and?
And
How do we know it's going to be an and?
each mile and graph your answer. No.
And,
I don't know.
Each mile.
It's too
faster than.
faster than but no
both
slower
of
than
those
8
things.
minutes.
He wants both of those things, right? He wants to be A and he wants to be B. He wants both of them. So this is going to be a compound and. First option, faster than 6 minutes. So how are we going to do faster than 6 minutes?
X is greater than 6.
X is greater than 6. Can it be equal to 6?
No.
Nope, he does not want 6. Faster? Longer than? That wording isn't very good.
Quicker.
No. What wording would you say there? You wouldn't say faster because if you're running faster, it'd be less minutes. Right? No faster than?
Oh.
This seems like a no faster than. Sorry, that's a typo.
But then it would be less than or equal to 6.
Yeah.
Or greater than or equal to.
Right, but if you want to be a faster than a 6 minute mile, what would be something? It's like a backwards time. What's faster than a 6 minute mile?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, right? Faster means you're running in a shorter amount of time. That's why we accidentally picked that wrong word there when we typed it up, because it's a backward, like golf scores. They're backwards. Lower score is better. Lower time is faster. Right? But no slower than. That this should be the faster. But faster than. Do you guys understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Right? If you're running faster than 8 minutes,
Then it'd be less.
time-
then it'd be less than 8 minutes. You're filling in the right inequality here, but the words sound backwards as to what they are because running the objective is to have a slower
If you're
time.
going faster, you get.
If you're going faster, you're going a slower time.
So then it'll be X is less than 8.
Okay. We briefly touched on this yesterday. Is that how we're going to find an answer on a multiple choice test? No. What's it going to be? Combine together. How did we say we would combine these together?
You have to switch.
We're going to go in reverse order, right? So we're going to switch this, which means switching the sign.
And then get rid of the next X. That just looks like a lot of.
Right? And then get rid of an X and squeeze it
How
together.
would that be changed to?
Because I didn't flip the order of this, Christy. I flipped this sign because I switched the order.
You want the X in the middle.
Yeah.
Sorry. So is that going to be your answer? Because I'm still confused why you would have to do that.
If it was free response, okay, and you wrote this down, making sure you had the word and, you would have to have the word and, you would be fine.
Okay.
If it was multiple choice, you wouldn't see it represented like this. You would see it represented like this.
So on the test it will be multiple choice.
No, not necessarily.
She's just saying.
I just want to make sure you're aware for any outcome.
Is this on this test?
Anything is fair game for the test. You'll get a review packet tomorrow. Or you can look on Canvas, it's already on there. There, we okay with this? Okay, so let's graph this. Yep, it says graph your answer. Which number are we putting on the left?
6.
Which number are we putting on the right? Open or filled in at 8?
Open.
Which way are we going to shade?
Left.
Open or filled in at 6?
Open.
Which way are we going to shade?
Right.
To the right? Right, because we have to look at this one up here to decide which way to shade.
Either
This
way,
is why it's a good reminder, because compound inequalities will be on your assessment as well.
No, what's only for one in the middle?
Compound and says where do we get both? Where do we get both?
between
In the middle. So that's what's going on. Our number line is our final answer. Are we okay on that?
Wait, so would we be graded on the graph or like the compound? Like,
Probably, if like this was on like a state test, or if I was grading it, you'd be graded on both.
okay.
Okay, so you get so many points for having this and so many points for having this. And if they asked you to explain your reasoning, you'd get so many points for that as well. Okay? Kelly is going to the movies and is purchasing 3 tickets for $9 each. She brought $50 with her. At most, how many drinks can she get if each drink is $4.75? What type of situation is this? What type of story problem is it? Nope, not making a sounding. I maybe heard it. A total, because she has a total of $50 she can spend. So this is going to be a blank plus blank equals blank, but I'm not filling in an equal sign. Because what word is telling me I do not want to use an equal sign?
At most.
At most. And so what do I want to fill in instead?
Less or equal.
Less than or equal to. What's going in our total blank? 50. What else are we putting in a blank?
475.
475.
Would it be 6 x?
Yeah.
9.
We know.
6 x. Oh shoot.
No, it's 3. 3 divided by 9 divided by 3.
What are we trying to decide?
I have no idea.
How many drinks she
How many drinks she can buy? What's per drink?
Oh, you don't need the
The 475, so this gets the X. No, we do need more info.
3x because it's for 9
So if it's 3 tickets for 9 each, how much does that cost?
23
Oh.
Wait, how do you get 27 again?
You bought 3 tickets and they're $9 each.
Oh. So, okay.
Right? So the first ticket is 9, 2 tickets is 18, 3 tickets is 27.
Then you just
Do we see where that 27 came from?
Yep.
And then that's something we can solve? I know each time we add something, right, I'm adding a few more pieces. Oh dear, wrong button.
I have a question.
Sure.
Why did it subtract 50 from 24? So confused.
I don't know. This is a 27.
Wait, what? Oh, okay.
7, 3. I clearly, my head is killing me again and I just can't do life. 23 divided by 4.75. I sometimes have really bad headaches and I'm just.
Would it just be a formula because you can't say
Right? So if we can at most buy 4 drinks, right? We can buy 4 drinks or less than that. Are you okay there?